Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a new note on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen swipe across and open up the Notes app, or you can open up the Notes app from the app library. Now in here at the bottom, tap on the Create New Note button. This will allow you to create a new note. If you want to create a note from a particular folder, go into that folder. So here I'm going to go into the IT Jungles folder and then tap on the Create Note. This will allow you to create a new note in that folder. Then tap on Done. Now another way for you to create a new note is by touch and hold on the Notes app from the home screen. And here it will allow you to select an item from the contextual menu, so you can choose New Note. And when you do that, it will automatically save the notes in the Notes folder. So here if I go back to Folders, it will automatically create a new note in the Notes folder. And there it is. Once you have created a new note, you can go ahead and format the note. So at the bottom here is the navigation or the toolbar. In the toolbar, you can insert the grid table. You can convert to text, share table, you can copy table, and you can paste it. And here you can just write the tables. You can choose how many rows the table will be, and you can also change the size of your table. And you can also format the text. So here, if I select that, I can format the text. I can make it bold, italic, underline, strike through. You can also insert bullet lists, dash, numbering, and you can indent the text as well. And that's just for formatting. If you tap on this checkbox icon, it will allow you to insert checklist items. And so on. You can also use the camera to select a photo from the photo library, scan documents, take photo or video, and you can even scan text to insert the text from a picture from a document into your notes. There's also a markup button. If you tap on that, that will allow you to mark up in your note. So here you got the start of the markup, and then you got the end of your markup. So tap on Done to finish, and you can see this is the section for your markup. And then if we go down, we can continue writing in your note. And here I can extend the markup section. In the markup, I can tap on the markup icon, and in here I can draw, I can add text. So I can add text within the markup section. And I can also insert shape in the markup, so you can insert shape in there. And other things that you can do, you can highlight, use highlighter, pencil, eraser, crayon, and so on. And then if we tap outside of the markup area, you can continue to write your note. And that's it. Once you have finished with your note, you can share it. You can share your note to messages, mail, Facebook, Messenger app. You can save it as an image, and you can also save it to your files, file manager. And that is how you can create a new note on your iPhone 14 series. Now you can also create a quick note by simply drag down the control center. In the control center, you can create a shortcut. So if you go into settings, and we go down to control center, in here, go down, and in here you can add in note or quick note, so that you can pull down the control center to quickly create a new note. So that is another way how you can create a new note on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.